Welcome to Biohumanetics Inc., the maker of Huma Gro and Fertigold Organics crop nutrition and crop protection products, Huma Gro Turf, turf nutrition and protection products, Probiotic Solutions, soil and water remediation products, and Mesa Verde Humates. Biohumanetics was established in 1973 and is headquartered in Gilbert, Arizona. In addition to our main building at 1331 West Houston Avenue, we have a second building about 3 blocks north at 1350 West Harwell. The main building on Houston Avenue holds the executive offices, meeting rooms, and production facilities for the Huma Gro Turf, and Probiotic Solutions liquid products. Among other amenities, the Houston building offers an 1,100 square foot meeting and training room that has space for 103 people. It also offers dual screens for presentations, video camera for conferencing, extensive whiteboards across the front of the room, and a sophisticated computer and audio system. We also have a small media room that we use for shooting video and still camera photography and for hosting and recording webinars and podcasts. Pay no attention to that man speaking into the microphone. In the production area, our team produces, warehouses, and ships over 1 million gallons of liquid product a year. We have sophisticated mixing tanks and bottling capabilities. Our storage yard holds raw materials that are waiting to be incorporated into our products and finished products that are ready to be shipped. At our Harwell building, we have the Alpha Synetics laboratory that creates and tests new products and performs quality control for our existing products, our Humic Research Laboratory, and the production area for Fertigold Organics products. Leaving Arizona, let's take a quick look at our Mesa Verde Humates mine and processing plant. It's located near the village of San Ysidro, New Mexico, about 45 miles north of Albuquerque. Mesa Verde Humates mines and ships over 20,000 tons of humate material per year. BHN sells products from its 5 brand lines across the United States and in many other countries. This map shows our worldwide sales presence. Thanks for taking the time to learn a little about the Biohumanetics facilities. We hope you can come by and visit us in person at some point. In the meantime, visit us online at www.bhn.us. From there, you can also click on over to any of our product brand websites.